this is the bottom of the stair going into Crystal's lower deeps. So I did staircases to get up to our supplies. I don't know why there ended up being 2 Durance lamps there, but they were the ones that built, you build in the game, so whatever. Still would need to work on the offshoots of the main area, but for now it's just mostly floors that I've done on this part. I did a facade of a house up there. Well, not really a facade, it's more of a house, but you can't go into it. So walls, here's where I did walls before, but I really want to do the facades, add that in. What I might need to take out, I don't know, depends. Did some openings to see the natural beauty of the place, and some offshoots that go off. I guess for facades I can just put stuff on the back of that. But right now they're windows. Okay. So we've got this going into on the way to the drain pump. This was that room that had you go down and it's got all the orc camps and stuff that you need to do, and I was like, nope, put in a bridge, make it quicker. You can still look down, see everything, get to it if you need to from the offshoots, but otherwise just do a highway. And I'll let you just kind of watch. Now here the area starts going, the path starts going on a diagonal, so it's really hard to do walls without doing like a zigzaggy pattern and then having like the path be down to like 1 square. So I decided to just leave it open here right before the drain pumps. There's this huge wall that I did do it up 3 stories high, but I want to either put lights to light it up or do the facade there. I think would be really cool. For now, just a big old decorative wall. Let's go through this. Get this off the screen. Ooh.
Quiet! I see prey ahead.
No, we're not going to bog the room right now. Obviously, this was before the update where I didn't have the lights, so we have the actual torches here, and the tiki torches and the wall torches. So, take a left at the statue. Did this. I want to run through here. Anything that had offshoots or like little rooms, I just kind of did an archway so you could see it, like that. These are all covering up all the mined places, so if they ever come back, I guess I should put a door eventually. But I liked the idea of like leaving the tile or the floor tiles kind of scattered like that, so it kind of melts into the bottom. That looked cool as opposed to just trying to stack things and do a bunch of stairs on this uneven ground. So I'm missing some stuff. Right, so this is the room right before the forge, And I thought I still need to clean some up from supplies, and it was a build area. So I decided, you know, you needed the workers and where they would relax. So we've got the bar area over there. And then this is just to get up and easy do the brew tanks. So this is the pass through to get in through there. And this is their dining area. And their rooms are up here. So I figured, how did I say that there was like 2 supervisors, one would be on, one would be off, and they have their different flags. So this was blue, so he's got all blue in his room. Again, all of them the same, where you have the weapons rack, the armor stand, and the place for the shield to go. Get the lattice for privacy, but it keeps it kind of looking open. This is the upstairs, and again you have the 3 on over here, the 3 off over here, or however it goes. They have the banners for the privacy and their weapons rack. So let's go down this side. Oh, I guess I could show you in there. She's red. We don't have red lights, so it's got an amber. Okay, and then the forge, I did a big staircase. We need to and I didn't touch in here. But let's go over to the Tomb of Kings and go up to the staircase.